The following is rated OG. It contains violence, racism, profanity, nudity, and gangster shit. Viewer discretion is advised.
How about the car, bitches all in the car, you hear the room. Nigga talk down, but we up at the top like a motherfucking bloom. See us on TV, you turn on the channel.
Yo, what is good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Mike Cherry back with it, you know what I'm saying? Another lit, video, you know what I'm saying? I haven't did a monkey video in a minute, so I'm gonna get back to my, origin of, how I started, you feel me? We're gonna do something new. We ain't gonna roast these females. Instead, we're gonna ask them for their numbers, you feel me? We're gonna see how many numbers I can get. So look, this is gonna be a challenge, right? If more than 50% of the females, right, if they reject me, I will jump out of a window. All right, now look, I know you guys probably don't want to see me jump out of a window, but I'm gonna jump out of a window and I'm recording. But if that doesn't happen, then I'm just not gonna jump out a window. But look, YouTube, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video, subscribe. What you gotta do, YouTube. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Yo.
Hello.
Hey, what's going on? Add time right quick.
Tell me why.
Alright, don't add time. Defuck.
No, I'm adding time.
Oh my
You
god.
was gonna say fuck me?
Nah, I wasn't gonna say that. You
Yes,
tripping.
you was.
No,
I
you
seen
tripping.
it forming at your fucking lip.
No, hey, bro, chill out with that cussing, bro. You don't know me, bro. I do YouTube.
What?
Nothing. Hey, where you from?
Okay, come on now. What you wanted me to ask time for?
Where you from?
Do that matter?
Yeah. Man, what's up with these people, bro? How they be with an attitude? Zai. User unresponsive. Yo.
It get first.
Hey, I time right quick.
What?
Hey, how old are you right quick?
What do you want to know?
I'm curious. I can't be curious.
How old are you?
Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, this gonna be hard, YouTube, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yo. What's up?
What's up?
Hey, I time right quick. You see the things I be going through, bro? How do I know if it's recording?
The red thing at the top.
You see the thing I go through? Yo.
What's good?
Hey, I time right quick. Hey, how old are y'all?
You like Blueface, baby?
I do not look like this man, bro. I don't look like that man. No, I don't. Hey, but for real, how old are y'all?
Only 15. We 15.
Oh my god, it said 18 on the thing. Come on, Alana. 23, skip. I'm on my bitches don't make whoa. Yeah. Yo. Hey, I Tom Dream.
Hi. Okay.
Hey, where you from?
St. Louis, where you from?
Atlanta. How old are you?
18. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22. Okay.
Hey, how old do I look? Because I feel like I be looking young at you.
You looking 19.
Oh hell nah. I'm a big boy. So you still in high school?
Yeah. Last year.
Hey, that's what I'm saying, man. Class of 2019. I know you ready to get out. What you doing after high school?
I'm gonna go to college, but I don't know which one though.
Hey, no cap. Like real spill. I feel like college, like is a scam, and because I'm in college and I feel like I'm getting scammed. Hey, but I mean, add me on Snapchat.
Okay. Just text me after this or call me after this.
I got you.
Alright.
Alright, you two, so that's one dub, as you see, you know what I'm saying. Smooth Eli, you know what I'm saying. No Smoothie. Yo. Hey, I time right quick. Bro, tell them motherfuckers to shut up, bro. I'm trying to talk. What you? Hey, where y'all from?
Chicago.
Damn, bro. It's like all the pretty girls from Chicago, bro. Shit crazy.
Where you from?
I'm from Atlanta.
Yo.
Why you say it like that?
Best friend, buddy. Cause my best friend, buddy, is Kel.
But yeah, what y'all got going on?
Shit, smoking dope. Hey, we was talking about that.
Ain't no cap. Bro, it's too much. It's too much going on YouTube. It's too much. God dang, bro. I'm finna just get right into it, YouTube, man. Yo, I am so going to jail. Yo.
Hi.
Hey, I time right quick. Hey, now real talk, like, I was gonna, come off, as, a sweet, calm person, but I'm just gonna say fuck all of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see some titties right now. I'm dead, bro. Yo. What's up? Hey, I time right quick. Hey, like, real spill, like, where y'all from? Yeah. Huh? These people, bruh. I don't see how y'all do this, bruh. Like, how y'all could just find your lover on Monkey. If you do that, then that's crazy. Yo.
What's poppin'?
Hey, I time right quick. Hey, can you rate me right quick?
Like 8.5.
8.5?
No, I'm gonna give you a 9 because you cute.
I appreciate it. No cap, I will give you a solid 2.
Wow. Thanks.
No, I'm just playing. You're more like 2.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your lips more like a 2.5, so it don't matter.
Yeah. She made fun about Lisp. Yo. Hey, I had time. Nah, you never talked to me. What's up, bro? Hey. Making a YouTube video right now, so that's why he was like, no. Hey,
How you doing?
No, just chilling. Where y'all from?
I'm from China.
How old are y'all?
That's
I'm going to jail, bro. I'm going to jail, bro. I'm really finna get off this no cap. Yo.
Hello.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Hey, can you show your face?
You got Android headphones. No, we good.
What? These. Yo.
What's up?
Hey, can you have time right quick?
You're gay, Jalen.
I am very homophobic and I feel very uncomfortable right now.
You're good.
Fuck. I just miss these people. Yo.
Somalian.
Hey, tell me real quick.
You a Somalian? Thought about Somalian.
Huh?
Nothing.
Hey, where,
Somalian.
where you from?
I'm from the same place you from.
So you from Nigeria?
Yes.
Say you swear to God.
Swear to God.
That shit crazy. So you my age too?
She from Nigeria.
Oh, she is? Oh, I can tell. But for real, where y'all from?
He tell me I can tell. He's funny as hell. Not for real though. You from Nigeria for real?
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria, dead.
Oh yeah, me too.
Bruh, why are you lying to me, bruh? Freaking
I'm
weirdo.
just a little lighter. But Nigeria.
So what part of Nigeria?
What?
I just heard her in the background.
No, I'm from the United States.
I'm saying like Atlanta, Georgia, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying?
Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh man, bruh. I don't see how y'all do it, bruh. I don't see how y'all, yo.
Hey.
Dang, you got asthma? Add time.
Gotcha.
Hey, real spill, like, I just need, like, you to, like, do me, like, one quick favor, right?
What?
Like, my brother, he keeps picking on me because, like, I can't get a girl phone number. And, basically, I just need to get a girl phone number so he won't be mad at me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what to do with myself, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? You think y'all can just, you can just help me out and just, you know, give me your phone number?
Add more time. Okay.
Alright, I did. You think y'all can help me out?
No.
And I will try that again, YouTube. I feel like that will kind of work.
Not like that.
Yo,
Hello?
hey, can y'all time right quick? Hey, wait, how old are y'all?
I am 17, but to be 18 in March.
March what?
17.
Alright, my birthday March 4th, but like I got like a huge problem and I just need y'all to listen to it.
Wait.
Huh?
Say it again.
I got like a huge problem and I just need y'all to listen to it, you know, if y'all cool with that.
Okay.
Alright, so look, like wait, add more time. Like I got a brother, right? And basically like he just keep picking on me, you feel me? Because you know what I'm saying? Because like I can't get a girl phone number. He just won't stop picking on me, you feel me? And like I just need somebody to help me, you know what I'm saying? I mean, like, you know, if you just had a heart, you know what I'm saying? You know, you just give me your phone number, you feel me? What? Kim from Michigan.
Hello, have you prayed today?
No.
Okay, well, we'll tell you a little verse of the Bible. If you want to hear at times.
Oh my gosh, they got Jehovah Witness on Monkey.
A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for a time.
Oh my goodness. These niggas got Jehovah Witness on Monkey. Oh my gosh. Girl, your hair is nappy.
Nappy like yours.
But yo, you nappy, yo.
Got more hair than yours.
How many minutes is that? 14. Alright, bet. I'm about to end this mess. Come on, last one. Yo. What's up? Hey, you got time right quick? Add time. Hey, I need you to do like me a quick favor, you feel me? You ready? Alright, you just gotta repeat. Texas. Yo. What's up? Hey, add time right quick. Hey, Red Spill, can y'all do me a quick favor, you feel me? Alright, so look. You just gotta repeat after me, alright? You ready? Alright, I swear.
I swear.
On my mom's.
Hell no.
What you mean? What you mean? No, you got to. You already started it.
Not when I'm
Where y'all from?
Houston.
Houston? So like really, real spill, like I would want to talk to you, but for some reason it's not gonna last. That's why all my exes live in Texas. No, not funny. Ah.